Hi, I am Joe, your AI-generated newscaster. While the world is impressed with AI capabilities, scientists try pigeon intelligence only to conclude that they can learn similarly to AI. Researchers at the University of Iowa recently ran an experiment involving 4 pigeons subjected to a series of visual stimuli. The test pigeons were required to peck a button on either their right or left side based on the category to which each stimulus belonged. Correct responses were rewarded with food, while incorrect responses received no reward. The researchers discovered that pigeons' learning abilities match those of artificial intelligence as they achieve almost 70% accuracy in association learning tests. Now, how does that work? Well, animals use the same learning algorithm as AI. The researchers in the experiment investigated 2 types of learning: declarative learning and associative learning. Declarative learning is a more advanced skill primarily associated with humans and involves reasoning with groups of rules or tactics. Associative learning is a simpler technique that focuses on recognizing patterns and forming connections. Many species of animals widely use associative ways to learn. The researchers suggest that the same associative learning type is employed by computers and artificial intelligence, which can be taught to recognize patterns in objects. Dr. Wasserman, the lead scientist in the research, believes that if a similar test were administered to humans, the results would not be nearly as impressive, with many participants likely quitting due to the difficulty of the task. In a few other examples, a team of researchers at the University of California in 2015 trained pigeons to detect breast cancer with surprising accuracy. The birds were taught to distinguish between benign and malignant tumors and identify the difference between the two reliably. The following year, New Zealand researchers conducted another experiment revealing that pigeons can accurately determine the difference between 4-letter words and 4 letters in random order. That's it for today's Cybernews. If you like to see more of our videos on AI, you can find these here. Stay on top of what's happening in the cyber world, and I'll see you next time.